What's going on, cave dwellers? We are at, I guess, this is our first car show? Second car show of the year. But we're at Mars Wrigley, the M&M factory. And we are here for a car show with Bagheera
and Onyx.
So, if you're in the New Jersey area, in Hackettstown, New Jersey, we're going to be here all day till 3 p.m. Come say hi, stop by, say hello to the cave, and we'd love to hear about your car and check your car out as well if it's here. And come check ours out, ton of Camaros. There's like almost 500 cars here today. We'll be here to 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, so let us know what you think, and we look forward to seeing you soon. I was at Memorial M&M Madness. Go. Honey.
Stepchild.
We got some Firebirds over here. F-bodies.
Cousins. Another Camaro. And then some more cousins.
A little Pontiac. And some more cousins. Alright guys, we're here at the M&M Mars Memorial Day Madness car show, and they're about to do a rev for the troops. Tonia's not gonna start our car, there's too many little pets on it. And we won't start Bagheera because she's stock. And she's only got 120 miles on it. But we'll wait to hear some of these cars out here. babe. Just one. Alana's car right there, babe. Cave Dwellers. Well, it was a really hot Memorial Day show here with the M&Ms. We did an M&M interview, so we'll see that soon. But we had to get some pictures with the NASCAR, with Bagheera and Onyx, right?
Doesn't he drive for Chevy now?
Yeah, he does drive for Chevy now.
He does. Ignore the Toyota.
What are you doing, Toyota? We need a Chevy here. We need a Camaro there because it should be a Camaro.
Yeah.
He drives for Team Henry.
Oh well.
Oh well. Well.
We made a better choice.
Yep. Yes, he did. But we got some sun.
We did.
We got hot. We got sweaty. And now we're going to head home. And we appreciate you guys watching. And we'll bring you some content. We did a bunch of interviews today. Tonya was working the magic.
Just talking to some peeps.
Talking to some peeps. We saw some amazing cars.
Talked to a couple of M&Ms.
She did. She did.
We did.
There was over 500 cars here. We couldn't get to them all.
We didn't.
Clearly.
We were melting.
We were melting. But you'll see a bunch of Camaro interviews with some really cool cars, and we'll get those up hopefully this weekend. Yeah. Now we gotta drive home, drive these sparkles of darkness home.
And the air conditioning.
In the AC. Put them in the garage so they can rest. And we'll see you guys on the next one.
Peace out. Happy Memorial Day.
Happy Memorial Day, everyone. Later.